Can we get some praise hands? Can we get some praise hands? Yes! Because guess what, guys? I got my first full lace human hair unit. All 100% human hair unit. Is it my first? Yeah, my first full lace all human hair unit. And I'm about to open it with you guys and get into this installment. And while what I'm wearing right now is a human hair unit that I'm going to review, this one is a throwback that I'm wearing. And what? Relaxer all day. All day I've been at the salon. My hair is banging. It's banging. Alright, so anyway, moving on to this reveal. So, before I go any further, bam! 169.99. 169.99. Virgin unprocessed human Remi. Wait, can I read, y'all? Can I read? Don't read me. 100% virgin unprocessed Remi human hair. I don't know what this side's looking like, y'all. Let's get back into this, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm digressing. So let's get into this box. Now I only saw the one that was in the store, so I have not opened this one up yet. And so it is in the natural color, and it's a Brazilian straight in the color natural. With that being said, it's a full lace 360 wig, Brazilian Remi straight, natural being the color. And the natural color, guys, this is how it came when it came from the person whose hair this was. Okay? So I'm excited, y'all. I am excited. Oh, wow. That is almost an auburn color. Wow. That definitely, so how lucky. And like the other ones that I saw were this color. And now this one is giving me red, like auburn, like dark auburn. I love it. So, first off, I gotta take this one off, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and lift this baby up. All right. All right is right. This hair was just all right. So there I am putting on the unit with the lace still intact. Now this hairline did leave something to be desired. Or should I say something to be plucked, because it was very, very kind of dense in the very front. It did have baby hairs, he was long baby hairs, and the texture of this hair was so soft. Look at my roommate. It was super, super soft. It was a Brazilian Remi texture. The density was about a 120, which it was perfect for me because I like a really natural looking density. I am a guy, and guys don't typically have super thick hair, so this density was perfect for me. And so now I'm about to go ahead and cut off this lace and get into this installment. So I went ahead and cut off the lace, and I am now about to draw on my hairline with my eyebrow pencil. I'm laughing at my roommate in the background. With my eyebrow pencil. And so I just trace the hairline just like I do. I dot in the very top, so just in case it is too dark, it won't leave a line, you know, like a drawn on line. And when I'm done with this, I take my glue and I put it on either a spatula, or only thing I had handy at the time was a butter knife. So I put it on a butter knife, close that bottle up really tight, and began to apply the glue inside that line, right up to the edge of that line. Like I even overlapped the line a little bit, so it gave me a little bit of wiggle room. So now that I put about 3 layers on, guys. So now that I have all that glue in place, I'm just getting any hairs out of the way just in case they get caught in the glue. And then I went ahead and placed it. Now I usually like to make a mark on the actual unit and on the drawing of the hairline, and match that mark up. That way, once I have that mark lined up, then the rest of it just falls into place. And there I am, just getting out the hairs out of the glue. And once I'm done with this, I like to take my Boris Hairs brush, and I like to brush down the edges forward and then backward after patting it down just to make sure that it is down into the glue and secure. And I pat it down pretty, firmly. It says to hold down for 10 seconds, but this does just the same thing for me. And any baby hairs that fall into any glue that I didn't cover up with lace, hey, that's where my baby hairs fall. So this is the unit installed very quickly. I love my template method because that way I don't have to have the unit there for me to get my glue started. I can have the unit drawing or whatever, and I can use my template, draw on the hairline, and then go get my unit and put it on. Now I did wash and condition this unit with it on in the bathroom in a cold shower, just to let that cold water hit the glue and help it set. And when I was done with that, I got out and I blow dried it. Just as immediately after I got out of the wash, or not the wash, but the shower, I blow dried those edges where the glue and the lace met and made sure those were dry before I did any more pulling or tugging of the lace. Now see, this lace was a little bit big, so it is big head friendly. So I went ahead and took my scissors, and any lace that went past my ear, I went ahead and cut. Now I cut a little, I like it like that, because that way I can cut down, I'm silly, that way I can cut down a few, maybe 1 inch, 2 inch hairs, and then lay those down where I cut the lace from, and use those as sideburns or slick down sides, slick down baby hairs, and it just gives me a more natural feel on the unit. And with me cutting away that lace right there, it's so much easier for me to tuck the hair behind my ear, and put on sunglasses or glasses, because you go to put on sunglasses, the first thing the glasses are gonna do is hit that lace, in my opinion, and then try and lift it up. So I cut that hair out of the way, and here I am slicking down some hairs that I cut to make some sideburns. So I put that glue in, and I go ahead and blow dry it after it's all set and done, making sure that I got those in the place that I want them. Blow those babies dry. I used Got To Be glue, guys. Now, like I said, this hairline was pretty thick. I was not, expecting to have to pluck this unit, and I'm probably still not, just because I'm lazy, but I am going to cut into that hairline. So this is unit installed, and I'm going to sleep with it on, and it looked great. I'm very, very, very pleased with it. You guys can pick this unit up at 74 Oakland Park Boulevard in Wilton Manors, Florida, if you are in South Florida. Other than that, you can pick up the unit up online. I gave the description of the unit and the name in the beginning of the video. I want to thank my watchers, my viewers, my subscribers, and I will be uploading some videos soon here with some other units that I got from my store. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you later. Bye.